Hello, salam, namaste everyone. This is Francis Farooq Kaiser and I'm here with some simple tips for your healthy life. Well, I would like to remind you that prevention is better than cure. Have you heard of it? I think so. So my friends, nature has solution for our good health or prevention for most of the diseases before it happens. We can prevent things easily with nature's help, with no cost or little bit of cost. Okay, so let me ask you, do you want to improve your digestion system? Okay, so that's number one thing. If you want to improve your digestion system, you need acid. So what could be the good source of acid? Do you know? There is so much acid in our stomachs. I would like to share you today what would be the number one source of acid to improve your digestion system. So number two, what would help you to stay hydrated? Most of us, we don't drink enough water. So what would be helpful to encourage you to drink water and stay hydrated? Hey, number three is weight loss solution. We are struggling with big stomach, lot of fat in our body. So if you are looking for that solution, stay with me. Do you need plenty of vitamin C? So that's number five. If you need plenty of vitamin C without any supplement, stay with me. So number six would be the potassium boost. Do you know our body cannot function well without potassium? The potassium is necessary for our nerve muscles. Number seven, do you want to prevent yourself or protect yourself kidney stones? The kidney stones eventually damages your kidney, your life is crippled. So how to achieve all these seven things? Let's go to my kitchen and I would like to show you. Okay, so this is nature's remedy for all those solutions. So this is organic honey. Maybe in your country you can find something different than this, but make sure it's not sugar. People sell sugar in the name of honey. And this is organic apple cider vinegar. This is not compulsory. In some countries like I came from Nepal. In Nepal you cannot find this, but it's okay if you don't have. Doesn't matter. But if it's possible, add this. So this is fresh ginger. So just you need a small tiny chunk of it. Maybe like if you want maybe this much, a little bit more, little bit less, it doesn't matter, but I'm using this much. So ginger, honey, and here is the lemon. This is the most important. If you don't have anything, just use lemon and ginger, fresh ginger. So let me show you how to use it. So I'm going to slice, make two pieces of this. If your lemon is too big, just you need one. But this is a small, so I'm using two. And again, just one or two doesn't matter that much, but just you need lemon. So let's squeeze it here. So if you don't, if you don't have a squeezer, you can use your hand. There is no any hard and fast rules for it. Whatever way you need lemon, fresh lemon juice, that's all. Don't use the bottled one. Never. You always use the fresh one. Okay, so this is it, and I'm going to make small slices of this ginger, because you are not going to throw this away, but you are going to chew it later and eat it, because it has a lot of fiber. Again, I'm going to use this here so that way, I can press well. See? Okay, so I got some juice from ginger and the rest I'm going to put there. Okay, so let's get some apple cider vinegar. Okay, so sometimes people are so much cautious and confused with that, how much you need it. I never measure, but for your sake, this is how much you need. Like a half a spoon. Little bit more or less doesn't matter once again. But don't add too much because it has very strong flavor. Again, with the honey, there's no any hard and fast rule. Just a little bit less or more doesn't matter. So that's all you need. Mix it up. Okay, so what's the next? You need some warm water. Not hot water, just warm water. Just this is right. This is perfect warm. Okay, stir it well. Okay, so it's ready. I recommend you to have it in the morning before you eat anything, before tea, coffee, in empty stomach. That's helpful. And before going to bed, twice a day, if possible. If not, just in the morning or just in the night before bed. Remember, begin your day with a glass of lime juice with apple cider, honey, and some ginger in it. If not, just simply lemon juice with hot water or warm water, and if possible, at night before bed. So delicious. Hey, my friends, what do you think about this? Try for a month and you will see a significant difference in your health. You'll feel so good after using it. Don't expect change in just with one glass, okay? This is a continuous process in your life. Just not one day or 1 month thing. Keep it having. Make like a part of your life if you want to get benefit from it. So my friends, take care and God bless you. Leave a comment and subscribe my channel. Bye.